जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्ययोगमु 14th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, great people, Mahatmas, they will have outpouring love towards me. With that love, they will be singing my glory always, and they will engage in doing my works. They will put all of their efforts to do my works, and they always will be wishing to be in association with me, and they always want to be serving me. Like this, Mahatmas will be leading their life, having me in their thoughts always. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining Mahatma's nature. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha drudhavrataha namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta vupasate. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీ దేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం. సూత మహాముని giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. In that process, Maitreya saying to Vidura like this, O Vidura, in Brahmacharya Ashramam, Gayatri Mantra Anushtanam, chanting should be done. Ever since Upanayanam is done, they have to be chanting Gayatri Mantram while observing Brahmacharyam, and they have to be doing Prajapatya Vratam, and they have to do Vedabhyasam. Until Vedabhyasam is done, Brahmacharyam should be observed. So these are all the activities should be done in Brahmacharya Ashramam. O Vidura, now Grihastha Ashramam. In Grihastha Ashramam, they have to be doing agriculture or any other activities to earn money. They should never be begging to lead their life. They have to earn their own money to be able to lead their life. So these are all Grihastha Ashrama activities. And those who lives in forests, they are known as Vanaprasthas. They are 4 types. Vaikhanasa is first type of Vanaprastha. And they should not be plowing the land. Without doing that, whatever is growing on surface level of earth, they have to eat that. And second type of Vanaprastha are known as Valakhilya. What they have to do is, soon they get new food, they have to throw out the old food. That is Valakhilya. And third type of Vanaprasthas are Kudumbara. What they do is, soon after they get up from their sleep, whichever the direction they see, from that direction only they have to earn their bread and butter. And now fourth type of Vanaprasthas are known as Fenapa. What they do is, they have to drink foam of the liquids and lead their life. That is how the 4 types of Vanaprasthas should be leading their life. So all these stages of life and the activities of those stages were revealed by Sakshat Chaturmukha Brahma. O Vidura, and now the 4th stage of life is Sannyasa. These sannyasis also 4 types. Nyase, Kutichakaha, Purvam, Bakhvodo, Hamsa Nishkriyau. Kutichaka is one type of sannyasa ashramam. Bahudaka, second kind. Hamsa, third variety. Paramahamsa, 4th category of sannyasa ashramam. Like this, there will be 4 varieties of those who are observing sannyasa ashramam. Like this, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th చాప్టర్ 14th శ్లోక. సతతం కీర్తయంతో మాం యతంతశ్చ దృఢవ్రతాః నమస్యంతశ్చ మాం భక్త్యా నిత్యయుక్తా ఉపాసతే. సతతం కీర్తయంతో మాం యతంతశ్చ దృఢవ్రతాః నమస్యంతశ్చ మాం భక్త్యా నిత్యయుక్తా ఉపాసతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.